everyone. My name is Sanjay. Today I'm going to explain how to change the Windows cursor. So you might have known the Windows cursor. It's the most well-known object in the universe. But have you wondered if you could change it to something else? That's what I'm going to explain today. You can do the minimum amount and the maximum amount in Windows 8.1, Windows 7 and Windows 10, and if you have the Windows 11 leaked version, you can also do it in there. So I'll explain the minimum amount first. In your keyboard you have a lot of keys, but if you press Windows plus U, you will get just 3. Over here, if you select the mouse pointer tab, you get 4 keys. This is the regular one which I have right now on my cursor. This is a black one, as you can see on here. And this is a negative or inverted cursor, which in black it appears white and in white it appears black. This is a custom color cursor, so you can choose any color you want, like green, black, blue, etc. For now, I'll just choose the normal one. That's the minimum amount. Now I'm going to explain the maximum amount. So here are the links you need. The links are this link, it's the cursor library, and the second one, cursor editor.
Can you put those 2 links in the chat?
Yes, sir. I'll put it in the chat after my presentation.
Okay.
Because it's best you memorize it, because you'll have to do it every day. Because after you shut down your PC and when you turn it on, the Windows will change your cursor to the regular one. That's why I'm not giving the link right now. Here you can type any cursor name you want. For example, I'll type Windows 10 X. And since I put a single one, the full pack is over here and single ones are over here. But now here's a tip. If you choose the cursors which have a star in the left corner, that means you'll probably get the whole set. So this has all the whole set and some extras too. But this is just another tip. If you go inside and there aren't all the cursors, that means you can't use them. The faster way to download them is by pressing this button on the right corner. This will automatically download it. But if you get an ad, just click close and wait for some seconds. Yeah. This will automatically save it in downloads. So you can move it to documents if you want to. I moved mine to documents. It'll be easy to find it if it was in documents. So in the mouse pointer settings, in the related settings tab, if you select additional mouse settings, it will take you to this page, and then additional mouse options over here. This will open the mouse properties pop-up, and here you have the cursors. If it's selected, it'll be in a blue color. So I don't want this cursor for now. So if you click browse over here, this will take you to the Windows cursors. If you saved it in downloads, that means you have to click desktop, your username, and then downloads. Here I just downloaded this one, so you can select this one and open it. So for now that I did it, it's selected. Now if you I've saved it in libraries documents. So I can go, if I want to save it, if I want to open it from documents, then I have to go to desktop, and then libraries, or just libraries, the libraries tab over here. It's just a shortcut. And I saved it in documents. You can also save it there. And here I keep all of my cursors. So you can create a folder called cursors to store all the cursors. Now I'll just change my cursor after I explain the second link, which is the cursor editor. Here you can edit your own cursors. Like for example, I'll just draw a circle. If you want to keep this as your cursor, you can just click download and this will download it. But if you want to choose templates like this one and this one, etc., that means then you can color it or use the same. But there is a downfall to this. It will take a lot of time to create all of the cursors. So it's the best if you choose pre-made cursors. Now I'll change my cursor. After I change it, I will say the disadvantages and advantages of changing your cursor. You have to select all of the cursors and type the name which the Microsoft has provided over here, like normal select, help select, working in background, PC, etc. There's no shortcut for doing this faster. It will take some time to do it. And after you've done this, then you have to click apply, which I'll show right now. Just the apply button over here. That means you'll get the cursors which you have changed. This will take some time though. But if you can just choose the cursors which you use the most. So and you can leave the rest as default. Like I don't have these two, so I leave it as the default one, which I have. But if you have all of them, you can choose all of them. Now that I've finished changing my cursor, now I'll explain the advantages and disadvantages. If you have a custom cursor, the cursor will match your desktop wallpaper if you choose a cursor like that. So I've chosen a red cursor and this matches with my red wallpaper. So your desktop will just look more clean and professional. But there are some disadvantages. If you chose a cursor which you can't properly see, that means you won't know where your cursor is. If you have any questions, you can ask me right now.
So anyone having any question?
Yes, sir, I have.
Yeah. Yes, Akash.
How do you get the Windows 7 default busy cursor? Like it will load.
Oh, that you can just search it. You can search
Windows 7 BC.
You can just search it and you can search Windows 7 cursors. Actually, it's not available. Yeah, here. I'll send you a link if you want it. You have the busy cursor. It's over here.
Okay, can you put the link in the chat?
The Windows 7, right? And
thank you.
I'll send the cursor library link right now. And I'll send the second one too. It's the cursor editor.
Okay, thank you.
So any others want to ask any question? Okay, fine. I think Sanjay, this is a cool way we can customize our cursor. I can see Hello Kitty and then macaroon type, little frog, like this. I can see it is very nice. So
I've chosen a cursor which I like and matches my background. So if you don't like the Windows cursor, you can do it.
Okay, fine.
You can also make a Mac OS cursor.
Okay, so we can also create our own cursor also, right? Okay, fine.
But that's only available in the cursor library.
Cursor library, okay.
Cursor editor. But
okay.
You have to design all of the cursors, which will take a lot of time.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Thank you everyone for listening.